One of the very important concepts in facial rejuvenation is what we call harmonious facial rejuvenation. And by that, what I mean is if somebody's 49, 52, 55, they're noticing that the face is looking a little aged, some looseness of the jowls, some heaviness around the eyes, some neck laxity. The best way to rejuvenate that face is to do everything at once. This is something I started doing about 15 years ago, and when we did start doing what we call pan facial rejuvenation, treating the entire face at once, the level of patient satisfaction just skyrocketed. The reason is, it's the old adage that 1 + 1 + 1 can be greater than 3. The synergy of all these procedures done together is very, very powerful. And I often liken it to redecorating a room and leaving an old chair. If that's your approach to facial rejuvenation, there's always going to be something standing out as undone or looking bad. And early in my career, when we did faces more piecemeal, that would happen all the time. You'd do the brow and the lids, but then the face would look heavy. Or you'd do the face, but you wouldn't do the lids, and that would look wrong. So if we do endoscopic brow lifting, small incision, eyelids, face and neck, if we need to, we'll do the neck liposuction, fillers as needed for the hollowness or flatness, eyelids if needed, any type of light laser or skin rejuvenation. You combine that all, everything's done at once. Patient has one healing period, 1 to 2 weeks, and it all looks great and it all blends in. And by having it look harmonious, where it all makes sense and it all blends in, it in fact looks more natural. People look fantastic, but they still look like themselves. They're a refreshed version of themselves, and there isn't 1 or 2 things standing out as undone as juxtaposed to what you've done. So the pan facial rejuvenation or harmonious facial rejuvenation is clearly the best way to go when we're talking about surgical rejuvenation of the face.